guys, this is Marti with Ralayla Creates, and I'm here today to show you what I've been working on. I've made an ephemera album. It's for a swap, and so I just share with you what we got going on. It's made out of a file folder. Just altered the file folder. Okay. And what my partner and I had agreed upon was we're going to complete 25 pieces of ephemera, and then we'll include things for that person to make ephemera themselves. So you can see here I've made a tag, and then got a library card down here with the embellishments, and then I've included some Tim Holtz die cuts for her to create her own, and I got album corners holding everything in so nothing is stuck down. Even the die cuts that appear to be stuck down, they're on double-sided tape, and the tape, you know, should release when she pulls on it without damaging the album and allowing her to get what piece she wants off. But anyway, next we have this card here. That's just a collage piece, a music sheet, and some Tim Holtz washi tape. Some more of his flowers. This is a pocket right here, and this was just a kid's flashcard with just a collage on it here. And then we open this up this way. It is magnetized, and I have now these aren't authentic what do you call it? Reference cards from the library where you find your books and everything back in the Stone Ages, but it's replicas of them. I'd bought a set off of Amazon, I believe it was. So anyway, just some fabric here, some lace, a button, and then some washi, just to give it a little more emphasis. And then these are playing cards, and they could be used as pockets, as tuck places, and things like that. Of course, she can further embellish them if she wishes. And this one right here is a tuck, and just stuck some tickets down in there. That's from the Tim Holtz, one of his sets. I want to say the Expedition set, maybe. And this right here is a fabric piece that's collaged on. And this piece is, I'm not going to take it out, but it's backed with coffee dyed papers. This is a little wooden heart here. Okay, so we're going to close that back this way and then open up this way. So again, this was an envelope that just cut in half to make pockets, and you can do tucks behind it as well, but made them so that they were coordinated, you know, one on each page, or just one in separate places in the book that you make. And then down here, move the book up a little bit so you can see, I have another tag that I've decoupaged a napkin on. This text is from a book from the 50s or the 60s, I believe. It was teaching yourself different courses, and it's actually done on one of these type of card backers. My mom is in the outreach for her church, so she uses a lot of these and saves them for me, so I recycle them and turn them into tags and things like that for a journal. Okay, then this goes back up like that. Okay, and let's turn the page. Okay, and this piece over here, we got two pieces of Tim Holtz flowers in there, and then this was a decoupage napkin. This was just an embellishment from my stash, and the lace from my stash. And then this piece of fabric it's made into a pocket right here. You can stick something down in there. So that's what that one is. And then this side, I have little coin envelopes, and I just embellish those with some stamps, canceled stamps. And then we have a guest check. That's just a collage piece with some fibers of button and, you know, text. This is a ribbon right here. This is a ribbon across here, and you actually can stick something down. Use that as a tuck, more like a belly band. Okay, then this opens here, the magnetic closure, and this is made to look like a calling card. It's just some of paper that I had in my stash, and then this little sticker came in one of my, I think from Dollar Tree maybe, but it went well with it, so I stuck it on there. And then this was a decoupage napkin put onto like the old Rolodex type of thing, but I like the butterfly and the flowers on it. And this is a little piece that was decoupage as well. And these pieces are backed with coffee dye paper. And this right here is still on the acetate, and the acetate is glued down or taped down to a little circle, so she can pull these off without damaging, you know, the album. Okay, this one over here is another one of the dollar store stickers, and just some ribbon, and these embellishments that was in my stash. Okay, let me open here. But I added a butterfly embellishment, and it's got little pearls on it, and then lace across there. Now this is coordinating paper up here, and another Tim Holtz ephemera piece, and this tag here, it's got a little pocket down at the bottom to stick some tags or tickets in. Okay, then this side again, Tim Holtz piece, and then this is a tag that was decoupage napkin onto a time card, and the back is a tuck spot. You could use it either way. Okay, and inside here, this is popped up with some foam tape, but to use as a pocket or a tuck spot. And then another Tim Holtz piece, and these are stickers again from the dollar store. They're stuck on acetate so that they can be used. She's free to pull them off and use them. And this is another one of those book pages, and then a decoupage napkin on top of it, and then more paper to make a pocket right here. My hand just keeps getting in the way, doesn't it? There's a pocket there. Okay, and this side is the same as paper from the same book, and the other side of the napkin, the bird is blue, so just decoupage him to a music sheet and tore that out, inked the edges, put it on, you know, at a little bit of an angle, and then have muslin up here, coffee dyed muslin. Okay, and then this is where I put several pieces that she can make for herself, and I've included a library card, these little pieces that you can cut apart and make into ephemera, and then these paper that's advertising, and the library card, that she can decorate however she likes. And another one of the index cards, how you find your books. And then she works with sea turtles. She helps cage them and protect the eggs and help them get to the ocean. So I saw this and had this in my stash, and I thought that maybe she would appreciate that. And then a couple more pieces. And this was by the Paper Studio. I don't remember the name of the collection. Okay, and over here, this is just a tag on some music sheet, and I believe this music sheet was from, it's anywhere from the 1900s to 1936, in that range right there. And then I just took some of the flowers, artificial flowers I had, and did a little arrangement with that and put a little pearl button on it. And these right here are pockets. Let's see if I can get these out. And then this is paper from the Paper Studio, and then this was a napkin right here. And then the laces from my stash. But the bird looks different in each pocket. Let me see if I can pull this out without pulling it all the way. It's the same bird, the image is the same, it's just I applied it differently to make it look like it's a different angle. And we'd said we really didn't care, you know, what style the other person did it in. She lives in Cyprus, and I was just excited to get something from somewhere else. This right here is a envelope that's been altered, and then I've got some journaling cards inside of there, and this is a sticker, again from the dollar store, still on the acetate, that she can use. And over here I've included several things, like a coffee dyed envelope, some bridge score pad, what is this one? A guest receipt, the Rolodex refill, flashcards, a little sack, a number, kid's little card, and some more corners in case need to put more in there. Another flash card, and some guest check, and some coffee dyed time cards, and then coffee dyed tickets here. And then I hope she enjoys, well, I hope she enjoys everything, but I had different washi tape, and I really like washi tape. So this one is just various brands over here. Probably most of them are Paper Studio. I really don't remember where I got all of them, but this section right here is Tim Holtz, the Expedition. And anyway, well, that completes the book, the ephemera book that I made for her, and I'm really excited about doing the swap, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, guys. Bye.